In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a package of videos on Wix. If you're looking to offer your video content as a product, you're in the right place. I'll guide you through the process from setting up your site to promoting your video packages effectively. First things first, head over to wix.com and log into your account. Once you've done that, click on Edit Site to open up the website editor for the site you want to use to sell your video packages. Make sure you have Wix stores installed because it's essential for selling products through Wix, even if your focus is on digital content rather than physical goods. Next, navigate to your store pages by clicking on Store Pages in the website editor. This sets up the foundation for displaying your video products. Then, go to the product page and click on Manage Products, where you'll be able to create and customize new products. You'll want to select Digital Products since you're selling videos. When adding a new product, enter a descriptive product name like Fitness Video Bundle 5 Workouts. This helps potential customers understand what you're offering right from the get-go. Add a detailed description that includes the number of videos, their duration, format, and any usage rights that apply. Don't forget to upload a catchy cover image or thumbnail that accurately represents your video package. Now it's time to upload your videos. You can upload them in formats like MP4 or MOV. If your files are large, using cloud storage links from platforms like Google Drive or Wix Media can be beneficial. Remember to enable automatic delivery so that buyers receive the videos or download links immediately after their purchase. Once your videos are uploaded, you need to set a price for your package. Decide whether you want to offer different license types, such as personal use, commercial use, or exclusive rights. Clearly outline what buyers can do with the videos to avoid any confusion. This step is crucial for setting customer expectations. Afterward, configure your payment methods in the dashboard under Settings, then accept payments. Enable popular payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe to ensure a seamless checkout experience for your customers. It's a good idea to test the checkout process to ensure everything works smoothly. When you're satisfied with how everything looks and is set up, publish your video package to make it visible on your store page and customize the layout to fit your brand. Preview your product page to ensure it looks professional and is ready for customers. Finally, promote your video package. Share your store on social media platforms, create engaging content around it on YouTube or TikTok, and use SEO-friendly descriptions and tags for better visibility. You could even offer discounts or bundles to attract more buyers. Providing high-quality previews of your videos and updating your content regularly can also help maintain interest. By following these steps, you're well on your way to successfully selling video packages through your Wix site. Remember to keep an eye on your sales using Wix Analytics and always look for ways to optimize your offerings.